Guys, there's the Max train again by TriMet.
Welcome back to
Fun
World, and right there's the TriMet Max.
Yes, it's decorated for the Great Oregon Steam Up, which was just held here the other day. You guys.
Praise Jesus, everyone.
But unfortunately, the museum is closed.
Oh, we gotta move, guys.
Yeah. So this is the only train we're gonna see today, you guys. Here in Brooks, Oregon. This is not the Portland metro area, you guys, but there's a Max light rail train here. You guys, yeah. I'm getting hot.
Alright guys, take care.
Yeah, I'm gonna look at the train.
I ended the video, Damien.
I know.
Grandy told us to hurry.
Yes. TriMet Max.
Use the restroom soon. Is there one here? In that building?
Probably. Yeah. TriMet. Look, you guys. It says about the trolley museum. You guys, I think you can scan that QR code if you can even see it. You guys. Yeah, this is train 101. The first ever Max light rail train. You guys. Yeah. It's amazing. You guys. I have rode this before.
Do you know who with?
Grandpa Larry.
He died in 2022.
Yeah, he passed away.
Probably around June.
Yeah, we need to kind of hurry, you guys. I need to see if we can get to the other side of the train. There's underneath the train.
I think Grandy and Papa are in that building, Dave.
Yes, I know. Okay. Yeah.
Should we go in there?
Yes, we will.
Okay, because I need to ask for a bathroom.
Train 101. It still looks like a Max train today, guys.
Okay,
So, yeah, we're gonna cross the street. So that's going to be it, you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.